I'm sure you got here because you finally want to see a working and proven method to make money from home. Keep on watching this video to find out all the useful tips and tricks.
Hello warriors! In this video, I will talk about EZSALARYZ. So, what is EZSALARYZ? EZSALARYZ is a brand new software for banking and recurring profits with just a few minutes of setup. In fact, it can be done within 30 seconds. You don't need any special skills or prior experience to make big money with EZSALARYZ. Just use the included software, follow the simple steps, and you're good to go. In just a few clicks and under 60 seconds, you can have your very own site that is generating you a passive recurring salary. You will not need any monthly fees, or annual fees or any domain name or hosting. All is provided. Your mission will be collecting the commissions. Of course, like any time, I have 100 products bonus for you. For more information, please check the link in the description. And do not forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click the link below in order to find out more.